Welcome guys. I am Nitin Lalwani. I'm a stock trading expert, strategist and coach. In this video I will be sharing with you how you can triple your wealth in the next 1000 days, in the next 3 years. I'm going to share with you one technique, one system in this video where you can triple your wealth by just trading Bank Nifty futures in the next 3 years. This has happened in the past and this is how we say it will happen in the future. Most people would not believe me how it can be done. Most people just say this can be done. But I'm going to share with you the exact system, the exact technique, how it can be done. This is a very simple formula. But if you don't have the right mindset, if you don't have the patience, it will not be done. So let me give you a disclaimer that these systems have been tried, tested and applied, back tested very strongly. These are leveraged instruments that have been traded. But any trade that you may take will be solely out of your discretion, and do not hold me accountable for I am just educating you to follow the right system. Let me share with you my screen. Over here, you see this is a chart of Bank Nifty, and I have taken two averages, two simple moving averages of 34 period. These are moving average bands of high and low. The simple system says that whenever a candle closes above the higher band, you buy above the high of this point, and your stop loss would be this lower band, or you can fix say around 3% of your capital, but you should be only trading this then. So once you see this, when we start, this went high, so we executed the trade, and as long as this is going on higher, this red point, this red band is our stop loss over here. Our exit keeps changing, and here we got an exit in the trade. Same way, if we want to go short, which means if the market is falling and we can still make money, we would do the exact opposite. Now again over here we will initiate a buy because it is closed above the higher band and the high has been crossed. Another buy has been executed and we are in the trade, earning money, and we get an exit over here, this point. So our next trade on the sell side would be here if this low was crossed. But now since it's gone up, we can't consider that low. And over here we had a new entry on the short side, with this band being a stop loss over here. And every time, see over here we might have hit a stop loss. As we keep going, as and when we keep going, we see that once it trends, once it breaks this line, then the higher probability is to make some money. So doing the long and short over a period of 3 years, we started here in January 3rd, this is March, 3rd of March. So if we start here in January, the 5th of January 2016, our first trade was a sell trade, short trade. And on you go, keep going, keep doing this, long, short. You'll keep getting a few exits, you may get whipsawed a few times, But the point is to keep going, and see that there will come this phase where you will keep getting whipsawed a few times. But that is a part of the system. Over here, again, a few whipsaws here and there. We take into account all of this. And you will see that we started on the 15th of January 2018. Our initial capital was 3 lakhs. And the maximum risk that I took on my trade was 9,000 rupees. And till the 27th of January, that is today, we have cumulatively made a profit of 5,51,000, which means we have nearly doubled our wealth. If you see over here, the total profits are given. The total number of trades are shared here. We have less of winning trades and more of losing trades, despite which we have made a profit of 5,50,000. And with the right systems, if you have, if we would have scaled up this system, and if we would have rightly done everything, we could have made 7,27,000 rupees as profit. This is after all our brokerages and other charges. And all that we have done is 27 trades in 3 years, which means almost maximum of 9 trades in a year. Less than 1 trade a month. We just keep rolling over our positions. But can you handle this? Your wealth, your capital of 3 lakhs became 10 lakhs 27,000. Are you really able to handle this kind of money? And this is on paper. I am not sharing that this could be done, this is how you will do it, this is how we will do it. This is the exact system. This is the exact technique. You have to backtest this. You have to believe in this and start doing this. But can everybody do this? Is it really possible for each and everyone to do it? Are you in the right frame of mind to execute all the trades? Are you in the right frame of mind? Are you overcoming your fears? Or are you really fearful? What if I lose money? What if this happens? What if that happens? If you think that if you do not take action, if you want to overcome your fears, the only thing that you will have to do is take action. If you think that if Albert Einstein was fearful and he never tried again, he tried his experiments 1,000,000 times. If you think that Sachin Tendulkar, the time he got out on a duck, had he not carried forward, was he not fearful? What did he do? He took action. He went out there. He practiced. And with practice, when he came out on the field, there were times when he failed as well. He probably got out on a single digit. But there were the number of times that he made a century. That was what made his career. That was what made his records. So similarly in the stock market, if you are fearful and you do not execute or you do not take action, you do not overcome those fears by action, you will never be able to make this kind of money. If you think that Steve Jobs had given up or he would have succumbed to his fears, would it be possible for those of you who are using an Apple product, the kind of quality that he delivers? Do you think that the Apple company had never faced fears, has never failed, but to overcome that failure, you have to resist that fear, you have to go ahead, you have to take action, You have to do things over and over again in the right manner, in the better manner. So with overcoming your fear, having the right frame of mind, being in the right frame of mind, is when these kinds of results are achievable. If you think that one failure, two failure, 3 or 4 failures should stop you, it's not going to be possible. If you want to see these average returns of 80%, 100%, 200%, this is only when you overcome your fears. This is only when you have the belief that it is possible and you can do it. I am going to share with you one more image here. This is a very recent image of me going completely back and touching my feet on the ground. Let me tell you, on this date, I went and weighed myself. I weigh over 100 kilos. Do you think that this was possible just in one day? This was not possible just in one day. Do you think I was scared to do this? Yes. Sure as hell I was scared. I could have broken my back, I could have broken my neck, I could have turned turtle. There could have been 100 things that could have happened. But the only way to achieve success, feel that sense of achievement, feel that greatness, is when you go do it. I'm not trying to boast about anything here. I'm just saying that person weighing over 100 kilos, if that person can do it, you can do it. You and I are no different. It's just what you set your mind to. The whole power is here. Your whole power is here. And if you just tune it right, when we just turn on FM radio, we get sound if we tune into the right frequency. We get to hear our favorite music if we tune into the right frequency. Similarly, if you tune this to the right frequency, if you tune your mind in the right frequency, you will be able to achieve what you have never achieved before. How can you do this? There could be one way where you keep trying by yourself, and it may take a few days, months, weeks, months, years, anything. But if you want to take a shortcut, you need to find the right coach, the right guide, the right mentor. If you have this, your journey becomes much easier. Your journey is cut short because your coach, your guide, your mentor has spent those many years, those many days, weeks, months to perfect and reach that stage. And they're going to help you to achieve those same results by not spending those many weeks, days, months. So it is very imperative, it is very essential. The first thing being, tune into the right frequency of your mind. Set your goals. Overcome your fears. Overcoming fears is only through taking action. Setting your goals, looking at them every single day, and taking action towards them. Finding someone who can help you. It does not mean that you are weak when you are seeking help. It just shows you are committed and you are focused on your goal and you want to get there quick. So if you want the kind of results that you see on my screen, you need to do something that you have never done before. You need to get out of that comfort zone. You need to find that right coach, right mentor, right guide who will help you. Or even if you just simply follow this system, this technique that I've shown you, you have to have patience. You have to be persistent. You have to persevere. And you have to have the passion, you have to have the drive to do it. If you have these qualities, if you develop these qualities, and these are skills, you cannot say that I don't have it. You can get it. If you put your mind to it, if you set your mind to it, all these are skills, all these are ways of life, I would say. Because if you say no to something, you will say no to almost every other obstacle that comes to your way. So it is in your best interest that you set your mind to the right frequency and you get down to taking action and growing your wealth. And if you need a coach, if you need a guide, if you need a mentor, I am here to help you. Send me a mail. My email is in the in the description over here, and I will be ready and I will be eager to help you. I want you to share this video to as many people as possible. For if even one person over here implements what I have shown over here, their life can change. It can be a whole lot different. So my humble request here is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video as much as possible. For if I have touched even one life, if I have helped even one soul on this earth, that would mean a lot to me. Thank you, and signing off.